Hello all. So I have a new Ikea product, that is Ikea Klockis. So this is a mini square shaped alarm clock, as well as a timepiece, as well as a temperature sensor, and maybe a timer. So the price quoted on the product is 850. I just removed this, it was quoted here, or else it's still there. Okay, it's still there, sorry. So the price quoted here it's 850, but this is for 259 only. So I'll just try to unbox it and give you a look of how it is in reality. So this is the product, this is the set button, and after clicking this button, maybe this is the button where you will direct the clock to set the desired time. So this is the speaker output for the alarm function. There is an engrave of the brand Ikea Klockis, made in China again. So I'll just try to get the batteries. I'm using Ikea's own Alkalisk batteries. So these are alkaline batteries, and the battery supported here is AAA, and number of batteries to be used are 2 pieces. It comes off pretty easily. I'll just and the second goes this. Let's see if it's turned on. Not yet. Maybe the battery is not yet completely okay. Looks pretty well. So it has some function. As you rotate, it has an inbuilt accelerometer, I think. As you rotate this thing changes the display according to the these symbols here. So this is a timer, because the symbol over here is a timer symbol. This is the alarm, because the symbol is alarm here. This is the time, beautiful red display. I like the product quite well. So I'll set the timer and I'll show you. So as I said, so this is the set button, and the number of times you click, the number of things gets changed here. Now I have clicked it for the number of times. Tuesday over here, the day entry blinks, because and then if I just change it from here, and it must get changed. The time now is 12 in the night. So I'll just change the time. It's 1 2 3 4. I'm just pressing this button so that it changes. 12:1. It's 12:2. So I'll just do it 12:2. It's Tuesday, and okay, it's Friday, but it's Saturday. So I think as per this thing, this month and these are interconnected. So as you change here, this is February, and the day is 6th. Okay, and then this is 2021. Okay, as I set this time and this time, it automatically detected that it's Saturday. Good thing to accept it. So that's all, guys. It shows 27 degrees, pretty pleasant. Thank you for watching. Let me know what do you think. So this is Ikea Klockis, pretty good product from Ikea again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.